class, we've talked about how we show numbers in different ways. We can also show our partners in different ways. So right here, I've picked out a domino that has partners on it. So we learned in other videos that we can use these dominoes to write an equation. Let's try and do that. 2 plus 2, we have 2 on each side. 2 and 2 are partners of 4. They equal 4. So we can show partners by using an equation, and we've done that before. We could also show partners using the different things that we use in class, like a 10 frame. So let's try that. Here I'm going to draw a 10 frame. There's my 10 frame. There's 10 spots on my 10 frame. I'm going to put 2 on top of my 10 frame. And then I'm going to put 2 more because I have 2 over here and 2 over there. So 2 and then 2 more. How many do I have all together? I have 4, and that's exactly what our equation said. We could even show it on a number line. So I'm going to draw a number line down here. And I'm just going to make a few numbers on here. Remember, the numbers have to go in order. Just a small number line. There we go. So for the number line, we're going to start with the very first number. Our first number is 2. Let's circle the number 2. And then we are going to jump on the number line 2 more because 2 is our second number. So we're going to start at that 2. And we're going to jump to the next number, and then we're going to jump 1 more number. What number did we end on? We ended on 4. So if I have 2 and I go 2 more, then I'm on 4. Another way that we could show this is by drawing a math picture. So here are 2. Here's a break apart stick. Here's 2 more. How many are there all together? 4. We could even use our fingers. If I have, on one hand, I have 2 fingers, and on the other hand, I hold up 2 fingers. How many fingers are up all together? I have 4 fingers all together. So there are lots and lots of different ways that we can show partners when we're doing math. So we can show it with an equation, with a number line, with a 10 frame, a math picture, and by using our fingers. And you can use your normal fingers instead of drawing a picture of your fingers. So let's try this with a different domino. Let's see if we can show it in different ways using a different set of partners. Let's see. Let's do this one right here. Let's start off by thinking about how many are on each side of the middle. So on this side we have 5. On this side we have 4. Let's see if we can turn that into an equation. 5 plus 4 equals, let's count them all up to see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 altogether. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 5 and 4 are partners of 9. Let's show it in a different way. We can do the number line. Which number am I going to start at on my number line? We start with our very first partner. So are we going to start with 1? Nope. Our first partner is 5, so we have to start at 5. Can you circle the number 5? There it is. We started at 5. How many times are we going to jump on our number line? What is our next partner? The next partner is 4, so we are going to jump 4 times on our number line, starting at 5. Put yours on 5, and we're going to go 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did we end on? We stopped at the number 9, just like in our equation. If I have 5 and I go 4 more on the number line, it puts me at 9. Awesome, let's do it with a 10 frame. So I'm going to put 5 in my 10 frame. That's going to be the whole top row. There's 5 in the 10 frame. How many more am I going to add to that 10 frame? 4. Let's add 4 on the bottom row. If I have 5 on top and 4 on bottom, that means that there is only 1 spot left on our 10 frame. So if we are thinking about subitizing this instead of counting it, we know that there are supposed to be 10, but one of them is missing. Can you think about what it would be if we had 10 and we went 1 less? If we took 1 away, it would be 9. 5 and 4 equals 9. Let's draw a math picture. Here's 5 circles. Break apart stick. Here's 4 circles. And if we count them, it makes 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 altogether. Try and do this one on your fingers. On your first hand, you should have 5 fingers up. On the second hand, 4 fingers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 9 fingers up. Did you have 9 fingers up? You guys did a fantastic job. Try and practice this even more at home.